Here's a question. Which is better, Google Wallet or Google Pay? Which is better, Google Wallet or Google Pay? The short answer is Google Pay is better for everyday payments, tap to pay in stores, online checkouts, and stuff, while Google Wallet is better for storing and managing your digital cards, your credit cards, debit cards, passes, IDs, and stuff. In practice, they are not the same thing. I hope you picked it up when I explained. They are not the same thing, but they complement each other. The Google Wallet is a storage hub where you store your various cards. So it functions as the storage, your digital wallet, while Google Pay is the payment engine. So basically, they complement each other. They work hand in hand, and you cannot compare them against each other. It's like comparing apples and oranges. They both have their own benefits, and they can complement each other. That's the situation with Google Wallet and Google Pay.